Say hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are cooking dinner. Mommy is sleeping. She's not feeling so well. But Jazier and Daddy cooking. What are we cooking today, Jazier? So we're cooking breast, Brownstew chicken, and rice and peas. So the peas is in this pot, pressuring a little, and then we just seasoning up the meat. Yeah. So tell them, soon come. Tell them we soon come. Tell them we soon come. And I'm also washing at the same time. Soon come. Right. So, mommy wake up back. I eat one orange with Jazzy Bear. His name is Jazier, but mommy call him Jazzy Bear. Right? And I'm finished cutting up the seasoning. Yeah, I'm just going to cover this. It marinate a bit. Right? And peas, I'm going to give this peas maybe another 15 minutes. So the meat is finished seasoned. So we have the meat, we have onion, tomato, scallion, garlic, ginger, sweet pepper. Right? That's what we have on the meat and the browning, right? Plus powder seasoning, right? And the peas is already. Peas is finished. I'm going to just pour some cold water on top of it for the pressure to be released. Brilliant. So now I can open the lid. I'm going to do one cup of rice, darling. 1 cup of rice. Look in my camera and tell them. Oh. What is it?
No, put them on the peas.
Eh?
Not about a video, man.
Wait. So she said 1 cup of rice. Right, so rice is in the pot, peas is in the pot, scallion, a little salt, and garlic. So it's time for the meat. This is the pot the meat is going into. So that's what I'm going to know. While yeah, soon come. So here's the rice, final, in terms of final cooking preparation. So we have the Grace coconut powder that we added to it, right? And the meat is here, cooking. So I'll be back again. So the rice has kind of leveled out in terms of there's no more moisture sitting on top, so we are going to create some moisture now to steam the rice. So I'm going to get a piece of plastic. Old granny cooking this, you know, no worry yourself. Granny cooking. You see it. Turn the plastic here and drop on the cover like that. Fold this up. Alright. Ensure that the thing is on low for it to steam. So that going to stay there for a little while. This now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add in the rest of the seasoning. So that's this. Just going to turn it down. That's it. So while this is happening, I'm going to bring the clothes to dry. Right? It's not with clothes. We have some sheets, some brand new sheets, and we'll just wash them out. Don't you what I see?
Where
No cameraman. Yeah, sure. Alright, soon come. Dazzle, did you check the pot? Did you check the pot? Hmm? Did you check the pot? Yes, pot. Did you check the pot? Hmm? Eh? Yes? Yes. Okay. Yes. Alright. So, we are finished. Here's the final product. Alright. The final product. That's the rice and peas. It's the Brownstew chicken breast. And we are ready to share dinner. Right? Ready to share. So I have the plates here. So I'm going to start sharing now. Soon come. Right, so welcome back. So we are finished. Dinner is served. What we're going to do now is just top it off with some apple juice. Right? That's it. Dinner is served. Please put in the comments section if you like my cooking for the wife. Alright? And Nikki wife, yeah. Want me enough a video, yo? Yeah. Want me enough a video, yo? See, we have put up his same way, so. Yeah, go see. Yeah, go see.
Thank you, darling.
Okay, wife. Papa, you want for your plate? Yeah? You want your plate? Right, this is mine. So, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Please like the video. And I'll see you again. We will see you again in another video.
Mario.
Bye bye. Tell him bye bye, Papa. Genius.
Just be alone.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Alright.